Have you noticed how much time you and your children spend on social networks or just watching a video? Technology doesn't stop surprising us, and it's not bad. But is it healthy for a child's physical development during first years of life? Mother's attention and physical activity is important for every child from early childhood. That's why we, beloved boards, have created something entirely new, educational wooden busy board, Mini Bear. With Mini Bear, you can learn to count, develop inner motor skills and finger agility, learn weather and seasons, learn both 4 basic shapes and 4 basic colors, learn to tie shoes and develop precision and logical thinking, develop coordination of movements. 10 different elements are placed on educational Busy Bear. They are not only educational, but also entertaining. The bear is made of ecologically clean materials. It is tested in a laboratory and meets toys' safety requirements. Make learning fun with beloved boards.